we love you. So, as you know, we had the Iron Guardians here doing some grilling, doing the beer today, and then we going around doing a 50-50. So, we got Big Mac here who's going to talk to you about, first of all, what this is for, and find out who is the big winner of 151 Smackers.
We're glad to have this 50-50. This is going to go to benefit one of our club brothers that went down. He didn't go down. He got hit in his car. He and his wife were both injured over Texarkana. And so they are both out of work right now. So we'll try to help them out. We really appreciate you